Hey guys, Zari here. Hope all is well. Good morning to you. It's 9:49 a.m. on July 17th, Monday. Manic Mondays, you can call them if you like. Interesting, we just had a divergence here, selling on the NASDAQ, rallying on the Dow, and the S&P, as often is the case, kind of sits in the middle and does nothing under those circumstances. See that quite a lot. At least I see that quite a lot. All right, watching closely now, NASDAQ selling, as I mentioned. There's the NASDAQ on the power grid in a clean traffic zone, cleanish traffic zone, I should say. On the Dow here, inside candle on the daily, that's important, at a key resistance zone, potentially rejecting here. S&P, as I mentioned, kind of doing nothing. NASDAQ selling, rejected violently from that move up, also an inside day. And watching for continued breakdown here to the downside. So Dow, watching. I am always watching the Three Sisters, this, on a different monitor, even when I'm showing you this. So it's a big part of what goes into my trade idea equation. And I always try to explain what I'm looking at there. Put you on pause for now, guys. I'll bring you back. Buying here, guys. Buying here at the market right now. I'm already in. Just buying at the market. The break of that wick there. You see that one there? Looking for 40 points here. Risking 30. Playing the bullish momentum. This is a trend continuation trade. Three Sisters. Positive moving average configuration on all three. Above VWAP on all three. A nice orderly pullback on the NASDAQ to support this movement. Relatively orderly pullback on the S&P. And then continuation. The Dow is the laggard. I'm looking for it to be dragged up, if you will. Kind of an arbitrage sort of move. May or may not have been the right decision, but we'll see if it pans out. Nevertheless, I have done this trade many times very successfully. It has a higher than 50% chance of working in my experience, but that's fairly anecdotal. Put you on pause for now. We'll watch this play out. So again, guys, the daily is bullish, but an inside candle, meaning the high so far is lower than Friday's high, and the low is higher than Friday's low. Inside candle, as you can see up here on the daily. We have tapped though, or we had tapped and rejected fairly aggressively on the 30-minute, but then started to build back up again, breaking above the prior body's high. And that was the signal to be in this here, along with cooperation at that time from the Three Sisters. Looking for one more big push here for 35 points. Stop now to break even. Stop to break even. Going to put my marker here, but my stop is at break even. So I want to be able to see it in a nice format, and this is the way it looks. One more big push. Can we do it? One push. Patience. As I mentioned, I think several times, this is typical Monday behavior. staying with it. As crazy as that might be. Tell you what. Yeah, I'm staying with it, guys. 35. Let's see if we can do this. Even patient Czar is becoming a little frustrated and impatient. I say even because I know I have a reputation for being very, very cool, calm, and collected and patient with these targets, and I am. But sometimes, and again, these are 3-minute candles, and we were originally on a 1 minute. So you can see how many 1-minute candles there are involved in this little move. It's been quite a trade. I'll put you back on pause. One more push, guys. One more push. You see, it's trying to break here on the 30-minute down here. And there it is, guys. Thanks for joining me. Appreciate you being here today on this Monday, this meandering Monday. I might edit out some of this middle ground here because it is such a long trade, but I want to appreciate you. And we will see you a little bit later, hopefully. Otherwise, have an amazing week. Take care, guys. We'll talk soon.